There are various YouTube tips, tricks and hacks, but today in this video I'll be listing 10 of the best YouTube tricks and hacks for Android. So if you are interested, then you definitely want to keep on watching. The very first thing I'm going to be mentioning in the video is the theme. To adjust the theme, just click on your profile, then click on settings, then you select general, then click on the dark theme, and if you do not want it, you can just toggle it back off again. It's nice because it gives you the dark feel. Another feature also is the seek feature. To access that, you just double tap at the video to move forward or backward. To adjust that, you head over to your profile, click on setting, click on general, the double tap to seek, then you just move it to any feature you want. For me, I'm going to be selecting 20 seconds. Another thing is the info card. Just click on the I option at the head of your video to see the number of video cards in the video you are watching, so you get clued. Another feature is the swipe up. So to get these, just gently swipe up at the end of the video. In case you just want to switch between video and you do not want to close it, you can just use this and you swipe down gently back if you do not want to change. Another thing is the autoplay. The autoplay is a very good feature because it allows you to automatically play video after that. To turn that off, just click on the autoplay next video. Another way to do that is in your video, you can just click on that small thing at the top of your video, just toggle it on and toggle it back off. Another thing also is the bedtime. So to get this, click on the remind me when it's bedtime, and you can click on your start time when it should remind you that you should leave YouTube for a period of time. So, and that you wait until you finish video, you can just click OK. You can just basically move around this feature. Another thing is the location. The location is a very, very good tip because you can change the location of your area to get trending features in other areas. I really like to mess around with this. Another thing is the sort by option. At your video, you see it, you can arrange video by the most popular video, you can arrange it by the oldest video on the channel, and you can also arrange it by the newest or the latest video on the channel. It's nice. It's a tip you want to see old videos. Another thing is the subtitle. To get that, just click on the three dots and click on caption. According to your language, it's going to bring out the suggested option and you just click on it. For me, it's English and I've selected that. Now I'm just going to try to move my clip to the point where you can see the subtitle. Okay, as you can see, we have it right down there at the end of the video. It's a really nice option. And the last thing is the video quality. To get that, just click on the three dots and click on quality of the video. Now we have 4 options for my video. For another video, it might be more than that. I'm just going to go with the normal option, which is 360p. You can just change this depending on your video or your data size. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to click on the like button, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video.